Hello everyone, you're welcome once again. You are welcome to this channel. If this is your first time of joining, please kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Likewise, share this video for others to benefit. Basically what we post, we give real-time updates on what's trending, and we are currently on Hamster Kombat, being the crypto space. We make videos on personal finance and on tech and how you can earn online as well. So we've done the unveiling of our three cards for 5 million coins for today. Top 10 CMC pairs. We have Tone plus Hamster Combat equals to success. And under the special section, like I said, we have some new cards you can use to increase your profit per hour. And the last card for today is this is the last card for today, which is pre-market launch. So we have three cards: top 10 CMC pairs, Tone plus Hamster Combat equals to success, then pre-market launch. Those are our combinations for us to be able to earn 5 million Hamster Combat coins. Now we have a new card, that is Sleeping Hamster. So let's also get this card. Like I normally say, when you have a new card like this, utilize every opportunity to increase your profit per hour with these new cards. Now we want to unveil our Morse code for today to be able to claim 1 million Hamster Combat coins. Likewise, we want to engage in playing the mini game, so we'll be able to unlock the key and claim the key for today. Now the daily cipher word for today is bytes. bytes, that's bytes, bytes. To get our B is dash dot dot dot. To get our Y is dot dash dot dot. To get our T is a single dash, our E is just one dot, and our S is dot dot dot. That's bytes. So to get our B, like I said, is dash dot dot dot. To get our Y is dash dot dash dash. Dash dot dash dash. That's to get our Y. Let's try it all over again. Now, like I said, our B is dash dot dot dot. To get our Y is dash dot dash dash. That's to get our Y. To get our T is a single dash. So let's try and be fast to see how we can get through. Dash dot dash dash. That's to get our Y. Our T is a single dash. Our E is just a single dot. Our S is dot dot dot. And that's byte. So let's select take the price. We've been able to unlock our word for today. Now this is the mini game. I want to show us how we can play the mini game to be able to earn the key for today. Now, aside playing the mini game to earn keys, you have this session as well. If you click on the key, there's a place where you get to games. You play games and you earn more coins as well. So I want to show us how to unlock today's key. So come over to mini game. Then once you're on mini game, you select play. So let's go ahead with this. Now the first is to ensure you take this up like this. Then this two will come, this can come over here. Now the idea of this is to just make sure we unlock this key, and by so doing we are good to go. So this is it over here. As simple as you can see, I've been able to solve the key. So I've claimed the key for today. I will do a slow motion for you to be able to claim this as well. You can just watch the video over again for you to be able to claim. Don't forget our daily combo, like I said. Top 10 CMC pairs, Tone plus Hamster Combat equals to success. And under the special section, we have the third card, which is pre-market launch. This is it over here. I want to look for pre-market launch for us to see it over again. So this is pre-market launch here. This is the third card for today. So just claim them and earn 5 million coins. So this is a slow motion for how you can earn the keys. Now don't forget, like I said, if this is your first time of joining, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Ensure you drop a
Crypto mining
comment in the
revolution
comments
with CT Farm
section.
Pro.
Likewise, share this video. I'll be posting the link to the WhatsApp and the Telegram group. Please, you can join so you receive updates like this whenever such videos are posted. Thank you very much. So this is a slow motion. Do well to watch this and claim the key. I'll be seeing you shortly with another update. Thank you very much.